It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Today we're gonna try kimchi. You can't really read it, but it does have some ingredients in English. It says napa cabbage, radish, starch, red pepper powder, garlic, onions, salt, fructose, galsobushi extract. I'm not sure what that is. MSG, fermented anchovy sauce, leek, desorbitol, kelp-based sauce, fermented shrimp sauce, pine nuts, chestnuts. So let's give that a try. Ooh, this stuff has a strong smell, but it's pretty good smell.
Really?
Here, smell it. See what you think.
Ooh, that smells good.
Salsa.
It smells like salsa. Salsa!
Yeah.
I want to try it first.
All right, let's see. All right, give it a try.
Cabbage.
Is it good?
Cabbage.
Sauce is delicious.
Is it?
Yeah, really good.
All right, Colin, try yours.
I'd recommend getting it. Just for the sauce. A little spicy though.
Kimchi is fermented, and they say fermented foods are really healthy for you, so.
Smell that.
Tell us about it.
Its aftertaste is bad.
The taste is bad?
Yeah.
He said he would like it.
Can you please cut that one in half? The aftertaste is really bad.
It's spicy.
But
Camera's over here.
nice, that's spicy.
How's the flavor?
Spicy.
I don't like it.
Good. Flavor's good. Blech. You can barely taste the aftertaste. To me, all I can taste is the spice.
All right, that's what it is. It's just cabbage.
Take a bite, Mom.
Looks pretty gross.
It gives me a bellyache like you eating raw garlic. It has.
It has a lot of different flavors. You can taste. At first I tasted fish, and then I kind of tasted garlic. Now I'm kind of tasting onion. And the flavor just kind of keeps changing. It's a lot like salsa. It's not bad.
I would give it.
It's not bad, but I don't know that I would eat it again. Ugh. No, I wouldn't eat it again.
No? The flavor kind of
James?
changes, doesn't it?
Yeah. I don't like that texture.
Yeah, it's kind of...
Crunchy, but soggy crunchy. Alright, thumbs up or thumbs down?
It gives you a bellyache.
Looks like James wants more.
James likes it. You gonna eat the rest?
Uh-huh.
All right, kimchi for James.
Oh, not for me.
All right, give it a try.
Kimchi. I'm trying to get that looks almost like an onion. I'm gonna tell myself it's an onion.
That's cool.
I bet it's cabbage.
That's what's made of.
Pretty good. It's actually pretty good. Tastes like sushi almost.
Let's walk again.
I'm the only one
I
out of
approve.
these.
I would eat that.
I'm the only one out of
Not bad, huh?
Took a few bites.
It's fermented cabbage. They say it's healthy for you, so...
Nicole and Jacob would not eat it.
Mama, let's walk.
But Madison and I, we love sushi, and so those flavorings, yeah.
All right, so there's a thumbs up on that, huh?
That's good.
Yeah.
Going back for more.
I know. Like, oh.